Creating a new Pega application. Click on application right next to the down arrow, next to the application name. Go to new application. Now you'll see custom, HR, sample, request approval, and service request. Now, everything except custom are templates. They will have their own default case type. However, I'm going to go ahead and click service request. Now you'll see the example of what this service request template does. I'm going to hit use this template. I'm going to name my application Hospital. You can name it whatever you want. This is the name of your application. You can click advanced to see the advanced options. However, I recommend just clicking create application. If you're in a work environment and they ask you to do something in the advanced settings, then you would click the advanced. Most of the time, you'll just go straight into the new application. Here is very important. Here you set up your user access. You can add users. For example, in the Pega cloud, you can add email addresses based on who you want to add. You have, in this case, service request and service request administrator. These are the work groups that are set up by default in this application. And you can click the add button when you add one. You can add multiple. So as you see, I'm the default user, so I'm the only one there. I'm going to leave it as is, and I'm just going to click continue. You will be landed into App Studio. However, when you go into Dev Studio, let's go into Dev Studio. You see you have your application created. You can go ahead and do whatever you do with your application. And happy Pega development. And super simple, super straightforward. So see you in the next tutorial. Thanks for watching.